Revolut mass payouts offer a convenient and efficient way to send multiple payments at once, saving time and reducing administrative burden. To get the most out of this feature, it is essential to understand the process and best practices involved. First, ensure you have a Revolut business account, as mass payouts are only available for business users. Next, prepare your payout list by compiling the recipient details, including names, bank account numbers, and payment amounts. It is crucial to double-check this information to avoid errors or failed transactions. To initiate a mass payout, log into your Revolut account and navigate to the Payments section. Select the Mass Payout option and upload your payout list or enter the details manually. Revolut supports various file formats, including CSV and XLSX, making it easy to import your payout list. Once you have uploaded your payout list, review the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. You can also add a reference or description to each payment, which can help with accounting and reconciliation. After verifying the information, confirm the payout and Revolut will process the transactions. To minimize errors and delays, it is recommended to use the correct bank account details and ensure the recipient's accounts are active and able to receive payments. Additionally, be aware of the cutoff times for same-day payments and plan accordingly to avoid delays. In terms of security, Revolut employs robust security measures to protect your transactions, including encryption and two-factor authentication. However, it is still essential to maintain good security practices, such as keeping your account credentials secure and monitoring your account activity regularly. By following these tips and best practices, you can efficiently and securely process mass payouts using Revolut, streamlining your payment operations and improving your overall financial management. Regularly review Revolut's terms and conditions, as well as any applicable fees, to ensure you are getting the most out of the service.